So let me ask you a question about keeping our talent in the DMV here. How's that going for you?
Well, I think we've been good. I think our current roster in the 3 years now that I've been here, this is probably the least we've had DMV guys. That's just kind of the way the lay of the land kind of works. When I originally took the job, we hit a bunch of home runs, and a bunch of those home run guys were local guys that I recruited in the past. Woody Newton is from Maryland. Darius Maddock is from Maryland. Jared Billups is from Maryland. And so I don't think, and again, this is not just a DMV thing. I think this is really nationwide. When you look at the last 10 to 12 years of the NCAA tournament, the teams that have won have had at least one or two DMV guys.
Right.
And so, for me, you have to be able to win the DMV recruiting battle. I think we're competitive. The high school league, the WCAC, those guys go to college way more ready than most guys in the country.
Right.
And again, I'm biased because I'm from the area, but if we're going to be good, we're going to have to continually be really, really good in our background, and that's just making sure we're winning those 2 to 3 hour battles within the area.